Feeling swamped with everything you need to do for your business? Many beginners get stuck because there's just too much to manage. Managing a growing business can feel overwhelming, but AI can help you organize your day. I entered this prompt into ChatGPT, pause here to copy it, or adjust it for your own priorities. In seconds, you get a clear daily schedule outlining key tasks, priorities, and focus areas for your business. This makes it much easier to stay on track and avoid decision fatigue. But the schedule alone won't guarantee progress. The AI Business Builder Challenge gives you a step by step system to turn these daily plans into consistent action, helping you move forward confidently in 5 beginner friendly episodes. You also get bonuses like the copy and paste AI command database filled with tested prompts to help you plan, create content, and take action without guessing. Stop feeling overwhelmed and turn your daily to do list into a system that drives results. The AI Business Builder Challenge is just $17. Check the link in the description and start organizing your business today.